Okay, so today is the tutorial for Acer A315-32 LCD screen replacement. You can literally see there is impact here and here, crack the screen. So same thing, hold down the power button for at least 15 seconds. Make sure there is no lights or anything. And this one is pretty simple. You might need a tool like this. Just go through the corners, put it like this, snap it all the way. I already did it because I'm recording the video, but you can hear the clicks. So normally like this, right? And once the top section is removed, for the bottom piece you might be able to do it from underneath. So make sure you close the lid. There is you can see here, so there is a gap here, and there is like a let me show you. That's the line there. So make sure use the tool and gently take it out. And this is pretty straightforward. Then after, you just lift up and there you go. So it's ready for replacement. Just take a regular Phillips screwdriver and try just 4 screws to take off. So let's see. I can do this easily. And almost there. Okay, so simple piece is slowly from the top, just lay it down. There is a little bit leeway in this in the LCD cable, so just simply little bit push it out. There is a plastic cover or kind of tape there, so if you use your nail or fingerprint or something, lift up a little bit and you can slowly able to take it out. And there you go. So that's the simple, tricky, easy part. There is no latch or anything, so you just have to pull out. Go a little slow because these connectors can damage very easily. And there you go. So this is my old damaged LCD screen. I always get a good working screen from LCD, screencountry.com, and this is the new one. Once again, they are pretty fast. Within a day or two you normally get it, so make sure you snip it properly, slide in, close the latch. Now because of this is a LCD side, make sure this guys can go properly, because there is a cover needs to be locked in. But normally I will do this way. So lay it down, go a little slow, and there you go. And the simple piece is now just put the 4 screws back in and put this one in, snap in, and your LCD screen replacement is done. Normally before I put the screws or anything like that, I always turns on, make sure the screen is okay, and voila, there you go. I can see the screen is working. I still need to take the film out. There is a film there. But yeah, that simple it is, and you have a working screen. It is for Acer A315-32. All model use the same design. Good luck.